can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astro Nori for another video. Today we're going to be getting into this week 6 live cop. I know that this isn't the most anticipated week, nothing too hyped to be honest, but there are some items in here that I'm actually really a fan of and I'm going to be trying to go for it. So if you guys are interested in watching this entire video, you already know, slap that like button, subscribe to the channel if you're new, click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And you guys actually have been requesting for me to do a video with friend Leslie for the live cop. So that's exactly what we're gonna do today. But without any further ado, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All right, so it's about time to get this started. Right now we have like 20 more seconds before the drop, and I feel like I'm gonna end up going for that cream hoodie. Shit is so fire. I'm gonna end up going for some of those hats that we're gonna release. I don't know exactly what I'm gonna buy as of yet, which is not a good thing when it comes to Supreme, but hey, we're here, we about to do it, and I think it's about to hit, so we gotta go now. Boom. So we got this cream hoodie.
Oh, everything loaded really quickly.
Word, it went mad smooth. Nobody cares about this stuff. Yo, let me get this olive hat right here. Bang, slap that. 200. That's not that bad. I got the hat and the thing.
I'm just gonna let you guys know what things sell out because I personally don't want to buy anything this week.
Damn, so should I even buy this hoodie? You're making me procrastinate.
No, the Restless hoodie is fire, so you can buy that.
If I get it in cream, that's the only color I'm trying to go for. Right now, I'm processing. I feel like this week should be an easy one because I got right through, bro.
Is still there. It's crazy because things will be sold out by now.
Word. I got right through, bro. If you notice, like I didn't even buy anything from the collab. Like if I buy anything, it might be this beanie right here, and I low-key might buy it. I think this black beanie is a vibe. It's either the black or the orange for me. You think it's worth it?
I don't think it's worth it. I don't like it.
Really?
I personally don't like it. Did you get the hoodie?
Yeah, I got the cream hoodie. Yeah, we got the cream hoodie and we got the olive hat.
Oh, it's still available. The cream hoodie is still available.
Yo, people sleeping. I'm good. This shit is fire. I don't have a cream Supreme hoodie, so I'm actually vibing with this.
It's crazy because it's 11:01 right now and the smalls are still available. I really want this pink one. But my pockets, I'm starting, I wish that we did a live cop together when it was like something fire. We were both copping at the same time.
But shit, who knows how long we're gonna be in here with quarantine, so we might have that coming up. Just leave likes on this video if you would like that. Yo, is anything even sold out at this point? I feel like I would, right now, I would be stressing trying to buy some Oreos.
This is literally sleeper week. Everyone's sleeping.
I should have slept, bro.
What the heck? When did this shit come out?
Yeah, they said it was gonna come out last second.
This blocked stripe short. Nah, it's cute though.
Shit.
The black one is nice. I think it looks nice on you.
You should freak that green. Yo, that black one is kind of nice. Only the black one though. The black or the white?
Yeah, that orange one, they tripping.
And that green one?
If you don't know what we're talking about, we're gonna put a picture of it right here.
That green one is ass. Like, my favorite part that dropped is low-key the cam cap. Yo, I should have got it in black, bro. The olive one is fire.
This one's fire too.
That one is
The digital logo 6 panel is nice. I like this hat.
Yeah,
reminds me like a simple.
I wonder if anything is sold out at this point.
This is sold out. I freaking knew it.
Yeah, that's gonna sell out.
The washed out chino in the American flag. Told ya.
She did say that. Only that color sold out. Let me
see if the black and white one sold out. I'm telling you, that's
gonna be for July 4th.
That's like a collectible shit.
Wait, it says Supreme on the flag.
Black Lamborghini beanie.
I knew that shit was gonna go too.
Oh, the skate deck.
I forgot about the skate deck. No,
you don't need the skate deck.
That would be fire.
No,
that shit would be fire. She tripping.
I'm not tripping. This is
tripping.
Hit a like if you agree with me.
Tripping, bro. It's sold out anyway. The only color left is the dot line. That color. Yo,
I'm in shock that they just sneaked in a shirt in there. No, stop. It's not a brick. It's something for the person you like it. You like it. You like it. Too bad.
Hey, I got free shipping. When is that shit heard of on Supreme? That's crazy.
Let's go.
That's lit, dude. I feel like both pieces I picked up are pieces that I'll end up wearing. They even look good together, low key. Like I'm looking at the little pictures right here, and I feel like these two items look pretty cool together. I'm satisfied with what I bought. I feel like last week we didn't get the Oreos, but hey, we trying to make that happen so we can make some videos for you guys.
Yo, shout out to Mr. Nightmare. That's our shout out for today.
To Mr. Nightmare, for real, because he's about to hook it up hopefully with some Oreos so we can make a video for you guys.
Yes.
That'd be fire.
We have kind of like an idea for it. We were brainstorming yesterday about it. so we're really
probably
excited.
could do something cool. Let me know if you guys would like quarantine videos, like things to do. We're trying to do like a series where it's like I do one video on my channel, then we do episode 2, episode 3, and just go back and forth, basically bouncing ideas on things to do during the quarantine, because literally like there's nothing to do.
It's basically like starting a movement, hashtag stay home. We want to do it, so let us know in the comments below. Leave a thumbs up
if you would like that, and let us know what type of things you would like to see. I have nothing but time right now, so just let me know and we'll get it done, to be honest.
And we see y'all percentages.
Yo, subscribe
to
bro.
the channel. You know, you guys are home and you guys are basically watching this video at this point, so please subscribe to the channel.
35% of people are subscribed.
Yo.
65% of y'all are not subscribed to the channel. Like, what are you
doing,
bro? We need
support the channel, like, you know.
And yo, subscribe to her channel too, because she has been helping me and it does mean a lot, to be honest. So go ahead and subscribe to her channel as well. But yo, 15K. Once we get to 15K,
yes,
we'll start
we're
a
almost
giveaway.
up to 15,000 subscribers.
We'll start a giveaway, bro. Like, so we've been deciding what we should give away, and it's either AirPods or a Supreme tee, a Supreme shoulder bag, some Starbucks gift cards, and I would try and talk to a brand to see if they could do a part in the giveaway as well.
Before we get all excited, it's multiple winners.
Yeah,
it's not gonna be one winner winning all this stuff, but we are gonna get a lot of things to give away, because I was waiting to get 500 subscribers, and then we're waiting for him to get 15. So we're doing the big 5. So it's 5 winners for that. So
it's either 5 winners or AirPods. You guys do decide. Let us know in the comments what you would like to win. I feel like 5 options is more winners, like a higher percentage of winning, but then again, you can get some AirPods. So let us know. And I guess that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, go ahead and slap a like on this one. Let us know down below how you feel about the things that we said. Did you cop anything this week? Honestly, I feel like I'm probably the only person in the US that bought something, because this shit was ass. But that pretty much does it. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.